Yeah, I think this 2023 release, not understating it, really is the most exciting release for me as a geologist. So the domain manager and the model manager are really about those first steps on the process of changing the way that we do mining forever. It's about making this more connected, more automated system where when we get new information to make our geological model, we can rapidly have that model updated and have it to our end users in a manner that we've never been able to before. And if you need to make a change, it's just that one little change and rerun the entire deposit altogether. And that's the difference between a manual process that takes me all day or something that I hit go and then a few minutes later it's done. So yeah, so there's some little tools that just seem like icons on a toolbar, but they really change the way that I work with the data and make my life easier. For example, we've got a new drill hole visualization toolbar where if I want my labels on, I want my labels off, or if I want to change my color spectrum to look at my domains or my rock code or my grades. It's just as simple. Select the holes you want to apply it to, or all your holes, and then just hit a button on a toolbar. It seems like the smallest thing, but it's a big improvement from going to a panel and making a permanent change. I think for me it's saving time, but also making that process repeatable so that I know if the next person comes and reruns the model or updates the model, they might add a couple of domains, but the process, that recipe book's already there, and I know that it's going to be the same with more data or with more domains added to it. So it really takes away that uncertainty as a senior geologist that has the model been run in exactly the same way. Do we have confidence that it represents the way we want to do things on a mine site? And when you go back to your simple geological model and if you abstractly look at it and you're just extrapolating numbers and you're making shapes, that's really losing the sight of what geology is. It's about geological processes that have made those landforms, and the model that you make needs to reflect that.